Now let's take this question. So we have to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4-digit number even without repetition, right? So in the previous case we saw that since 0 was not there, so there was a symmetry kind of thing. So number of odd place and even place digits were in the ratio 3:2. So we directly applied these, we can directly apply the second alternative which we discussed in the last question. Here we have to solve in a different way, right? So what we will be doing here is that the wrong approach, first of all, I'll discuss. Let me discuss the wrong approach of solving this question. What most of the people do, right? So here it is 4 digits, so I'm just changing it. Let me make it 5 digits. So we have to make 5 digit even numbers without repetition, right? Nothing will change had it been 4 also, fine? So one thing which comes in a mind is that the restriction in this is in this place. So this place, to make it even, we have to use either 0, 2 or 4. Fine. And then the student says that this place can be put in 3 ways. Okay, great. And only one of these 3 digits will be used. So out of these 6 digits, we are left with now 5 digits. Now my question is that how many ways this place or this particular task can be done? Since we have 5 digits, so can I say we can use 5 ways for this place? The answer is no. Why? Because we have the option 0, 2 and 4. Had I used 0 at this place, had I used 2 at this place, suppose, right? If I fix 2 here, then definitely the digits which are left with me are 0, 1, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the 5 options. But can I use 0 here? The answer is no. Here 0 should not come. So the option here is not 5 but 4. But if I had used 0 at this place, then we are left with the options of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So again, the condition that 0 should not come here doesn't appear because anyway we have managed 0 at the last place. So here the number of ways should be 5. So which one to put, 5 or 4, or should I take the average? That need to be understood, right? Definitely we don't have to take the average of it. So here what we will be doing is that we have to solve 0 case differently and non-zero case differently, right? So the trick here is that the 0 wala case has to be solved differently and non-zero wala case differently. So what we'll do is that we'll fix 0 at the unit place. So let me take that cardboard 0 and put it here. So we are only bothered about these 4 places. And these are the digits we are left with. So we know that how to make 4-digit number out of these 5 digits without repetition. So it will be 5, 4, 3 and 2. So the product here is 120. So there are 120 numbers which ends with 0, which are even. For non-zero wala case, we can say that this place will be either 2 or 4 and 0 should not come at this place. So this place can be done in 2 ways. So out of these 5, one of the number between 2 and 4 will be used here. So out of these 5 we are left with 4 digits and here digit 0 can't appear. So for this place we have only 4 options, right? Digit 2 or 4, one of the digit 2 or 4 will be used at this place and 0 can't be used. So definitely out of 6 digits we are left with 4 digits. Now coming back to this place, again 0 can be used. We have already used 2 digits at the extreme. Again we have left with 4 digits and 3 and 2. So the product. So here the product will be, I think 4 into 4, 64 into 3, it will be 192. So we have to add them. So I think the answer should be 312. So this is the answer of this question, question number 6, that 5-digit even number without repetition. So again, the learning part here is that we have to solve non-zero case differently and the case with 0 differently. Fine. Let's move to the next question.